Lynch is live on your corner in Baltimore City. Tara, you've been seeing entire trees down on top of cars, blocking streets and hitting buildings. And now you've also heard from BGE as tens of thousands of people remain without power tonight.
Yeah, BGE says that this is a very significant storm, much more significant than the average storm. Now, just to give you a frame of reference, about 3,000 pieces of equipment being out of power and out of commission is about hurricane level. Right now, we're at about 2,000 pieces of BGE equipment without service at this point. So that is telling you how significant this is. And the wind just really sweeps you off your feet when you're just standing out here like we've been for about the last 10 minutes or so. And while we were driving around today, we even saw some trees that were just blocking roads, and the streetlights were already out, making it very dangerous if you were out in a car.
Mesmerized. I'm glad no one was in that car.
Trees, power lines, and other debris littered roadways across Maryland. This tree crushed a car on Wabash Avenue in Baltimore City, just across the street from William Anthony Young Sr.'s home.
You never expected it to happen in front of yours. It certainly did happen here. And I'm just truly blessed that it didn't get the house.
The winds really kind of overachieved their forecast.
BGE says the winds gusted around 60 miles per hour at BWI Marshall, and while the utility was prepared for the storm, the whipping winds caused widespread damage like these downed wires on Park Heights Avenue in Owings Mills. The wind gusts even took out substations.
Typically with a normal storm, you only see 100 to 200 pieces of damage. In this storm, we're seeing over 2,000.
And on Rockwood Avenue, a tree crashed into a house, causing so much roof damage, the city condemned the house and a family is now displaced. BGE says it expects to restore the bulk of power on Monday, prioritizing hospitals and other public safety hazards. Then it will tackle the areas with the most customers out before hitting smaller clusters.
With the snow on Thursday as well, we're trying to get as much as we can and button up our system so that we're prepared. We understand what it's like. Many of our employees are in here working right now, also don't have power. We are working around the clock, making sure that we're safety to get them back on as quickly as possible.
BGE says that snowstorms typically don't cause the most power outages. It's really these sort of silent storms, these wind storms that really cause the most damage. And they understand that it is very cold out there already, but with the snow on the way this week, they want to make sure customers are back in their warm homes very soon. Now, if you have a problem on your corner, you can always call 311. That will typically dispatch DPW crews and bring out tree services to your area. And if you have a BGE outage, you can report that on the BGE website or on the app. For now, reporting live on your corner in Baltimore City, Tara Lynch, WJZ.
Tara, thank you. And as we deal with this storm system, you can download the free CBS News app. Just scan that QR code on your screen or find it in the App Store. Well,